Can an LLC go bankrupt? Yes, an LLC can go bankrupt, and it has the option to file under different chapters of bankruptcy depending on its situation. The most common are Chapter 7 and Chapter 11. With Chapter 7, the LLC's assets are liquidated by a trustee to pay creditors, and the LLC is dissolved once the process is complete. The business cannot continue operating after Chapter 7. With Chapter 11, the LLC restructures its debts and creates a repayment plan while continuing to operate, giving it a chance to recover. One key benefit of an LLC is liability protection. In most cases, members' personal assets are not at risk in a bankruptcy unless they personally guaranteed a loan or fail to keep business and personal finances separate. Zen Business can help you form your LLC correctly so your personal assets stay protected if your business ever faces financial trouble. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.